these two pieces together right here. Try to get a good bead in there. Okay, go ahead. Strike it on top. And now you just, it's rusty metal. Let me see. You're not getting much of a weld across there, buddy. Reagan, you want to weld up here. Come up here and down into it. You're too close. You're too close. You gotta come back a little bit. Okay. You didn't get much into this. Most of yours is on the bottom. Let's see if it'll hold. Get your hammer. Hit it. See if it'll break apart. Didn't hold. See how most of your weld was on this piece. You didn't go up into that very much. See? Barely have any weld on this. Let's try again, buddy. Remember, you want to move back and forth between this piece and this piece because you want to weld this to this. So you want your bead to be right in here, okay? Come up to the top and then come down into this. Come up to the top and come down into this. Okay. Better. Hit it. That looks a lot better, buddy. Let's try your hammer. It's starting to break. Right on your weld. But you can see where you got into this piece. That's a lot better though, buddy. It actually broke on your weld this time. You'll get there.